So next one is, what is the output of given code? String reverse of str plus 3. So what is str? ABC, ABC. Given string is next 7, 8, 9, next 1, next 0, next one is 1, 1, next 1, next 2, next one is null character. Next, string reverse of str always gives the base address. Take some 500, next address is 501, 502, 503 and so on. A string reverse of str plus 3, that means 503. This string is reverse. Here 2 is replaced here, 7 is replaced here. Next 1 is replaced here, next 8 is replaced here. Next 1 is replaced here, next 9 is replaced here. Next 1 is replaced here, this one is replaced here. Next 0. So code run చేస్తే అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది మనకి ABC 2 1 1 1 0 1 9 8 7 is the output. Okay. So ఇక్కడ puts of str, not s3. str. So str is the base address 500. So it prints 500 to up to null character. So alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. So output మనకి ABC, నెక్స్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది రివర్స్ అవుతుంది.